giving in my bestest, and nothing gonna stop me but divine intervention. Break in my turn to win some or learn some, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait, I'm sure.
Okay, so what's up, motherfuckers? So I'm currently editing this video, and before we proceed, I just want to do a little disclaimer that these videos are filmed like last year, like 2020, early 2020. So this is like January from April. Can you believe like people do a week in my life while I do a year in my life? It's so hardworking. Anyways, yeah, I just wanna say, and the dates are not like that accurate. I just wanna be honest. This video is full of lies, especially the dates. Anyways, yeah. And
for the title of the book, okay, additional information is the book, National Society. For encyclopedia, we have this one, author, last name, first initial, the date, title of the article, title of encyclopedia, volume, and date.
hindi ka pinipicture.
Gawin ko nila yan. Parang like,
Pre, pasigawin mo nga yan. Pre.
oh. Ang gulit na.
Pakiwin mo nga.
Bang! Galing mo talaga pumitik.
Ay, gago.
Saan ka na ba?
Akin kasi ano eh. Ay, napaikot-ikot ako pag sa bahay.
Kasi oh.
Ay, sa Monday. Walang pasok sa Monday, huy.
SM na lang, SM.
Tanga, ano?
Ay, nga pala. Walang pasok next week.
Huwag na.
Gogi, 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 gogi. Yash! Oh my God. Oh my God, ang galing. Mag-roar. Gago, ang cute. Nagkakaman. Kayang-kaya kanyan. Isang gago, haba ng dila. Gago. Ano yung hikap niya lang ba yun? O galit na siya?
Gaga, nagalit.
Nag-ano siya?
Isa pa nga.
Weh.
Another one.
One more time, bobo.
Another one nga eh.
Gago, ang laki nila, no? Ang laki nila.
Nagtutwerk yung isa. Gago.
Gogs, ti, Ater. Sis Mars.
Gago, first time nyo makakita. Tanginan mga to.
Sabi niya, may ganyan.
The readers agree with your opinion. Effective and commonly used persuasive techniques. So, how to write persuasive writing? We have this technique. So, number one is rhetorical question.
Todo to si April nagpapasend ng link. Yung ano, yung thesis kanina namin. Kasi nga, sa building daw natin may nabot.
Ako na lang.
Hotter than a Sunday in June, a midsummer afternoon, and hottest thing that I'd ever felt. Oh, baby, gonna make my bottom burn. Red hot fire, burning bright, burning up everything inside. Oh, I button my shirt, loosen my belt, 'cause baby gonna make.
Ni Mark. Ang chaotic eh. Revealing. Huwag mo naman pakita. Huwag mo na pakita.
Putakin na nyo.
Alam na namin.
Hi guys! I am Nanay's house. Hi guys! Mag-bless ka.
Asa niya ba yan?
Ay ko. Hi guys! Init? Init!
Asa yung games mo?
Wala games kay ate Gusto cellphone. Oh. Huh? That's not lock. It's for you. Lagay ko sa buwan din. Kadiri ka! Kadiri ka, butyag! Nangangat ka pa! Kadiri mo! Kadiri mo, butyag! Ano tayo? Kadiri mo tayo, butyag! Alis dito! Alis! Alis! Alis ka dito, butyag! Bangon mo yan! Bangon, butyag! David! Wow! David! Ah, David! Ang bakit si David baka ano?
Ikaw, wag mo nang magdayo.
Hey, hi! Hi, guys. David, wag! No, David! Wag yung doon! Kuya ka! Here! Kuya ka! Here! Go to here! David, David, David!
Tell me what you do on a Sunday.
Abby!
I'm tired of all these Friday nights. And if we're through, I'll go my way out.
Pag na-post ka. Angie, asam ka ba?
Ano ba?
Just a blue shades to say fall asleep. I'm just getting started with you. Roll me something sweet, you're jumping all over me. I can't get enough Sunday love, that's all I need. That's all I need. I can't get enough. That's all I need. I can't get enough. That's all I need. I can't get enough. That's all I need. I can't get enough Sunday love. That's all I need. Where were you when I was going home alone? Brothers caught me on your white sheets instead of liquor on my tight jeans, and it's never been as easy as when you're lying with me.
Pilit natin.
Today, for today's video,
Napaartehan niya na.
be, nagpapakita ito yan.
Abby! Abby! Mainit kasi dito, baka mag-overheat. Sira na nga kasi yung grip niya dito.
Yung ano, yung parang kahit gumagano siya.
Sabi kayo siya rin. Bahal yung ano, stabilizer na may.
Tell me what you do